We've reached Durbar Square. We'll have a look around here, eh, Pete?
Oh yes. Let's take a look. Yes,
Apparently this is where Nepal kings get crowned as well. I don't know if it still happens, but they used to. So there is a fee to get in, like we thought, 1,000. This Durbar Square area was hit really bad on the 25th of April 2015 by the earthquakes. If you look on YouTube, there's lots of videos of the earthquake hitting Kathmandu and Nepal. So this area was hit really bad. It looks like this is where they buy the offerings from anyway, to give. And then walk over here. Yeah, and then give their offerings. Just walk down this little road to this open area. You can see here still effects of the earthquake, not fixed yet, still wooden beams holding that one up. I'm not sure about the one in the middle of the screen now, it looks totally demolished. And the one here, still not repaired. Yeah, the ones behind us look to be in an alright state. These ones out here look to be still ongoing, let's say 4.5 years later. What do you think? Good, isn't it?
It's really good. Like lots of nice building and temples in one place.
Yeah. Right, let's head around there, Pete.
Oh yes.
It's a big place as well. See another building there under repair. Have to go through this door to another part. When you come in this part, it's a grand building on the side there. Still repair work going on there.
They are very, very prestigious. They grow without the public money. They are still
He's snapping away. It's got this at the back of this courtyard, so it looks like China helping aid the restoration of all this towers. Good on them. Get it all back to normal. Well, back round to the beginning area. Definitely worth doing if you come in here. Make sure you head to Durbar Square. Looks amazing. Still trying to repair from all the earthquake what happened. We're now heading on to somewhere else. Good, yeah? Worth the money. £7.50. Well spent, right? Let's head on and see more of Kathmandu.